His skin was mostly burnt, and his face disfigured. He looked extremely tragic. Bai Ningbing tried to speak, but could not say anything. Fang Yuan, however, smirked